Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's enter the About phone, and now tap on Software Information, because here we've got the number we are looking for. The build number will help us to turn on the developer options. All we have to do right now is simply keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in a developer mode. So we can go back to the System settings right here, and the developer options will appear right above the local backup. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can show pointer location, show surface updates. Here we've got some Bluetooth connected, some options connected to the Bluetooth, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options. In order to turn on the feature, all you have to do is simply tap on the switcher next to it, and as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. Obviously you can turn it off in the same way, and it will work with all other features. If you can see the options without the switcher, for example, like maybe here in the simulate secondary displays, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, if you want to turn them off, just tap on the switcher at the very top, and as you can see, they are right now inactive, and after getting back you can see that they immediately disappear from the system settings. But obviously no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.